did you wake me up? Is something wrong?
Grandpa Joe!
Charlie!
Come on, take a look. Let's see that gold.
No, you do it. I can't.
We're going to be lucky this time. I've got a funny feeling inside. Which end should I open first?
That end, just a tiny bit.
Like this?
No, a bit more.
No, you do it. I can't.
No, Charlie, you do it.
All right. Here goes.
Putting my legs, Charlie.
I found money, bought a Wonka bar, and the ticket's inside it. See for yourself. I never thought this day would be anything but catastrophe, but suddenly I began to see a bit of good luck for me, 'cause I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden twinkle in my eye. Grandpa Joe, how'd you know that I'd be coming home today with something good, something gold, something special that I can hold? Grandpa Joe, just as you planned, the final golden ticket in my hand. Grandpa Joe, we won!
Charlie. Joe, are you alright?
What did you see?
You can't speak.
Grandpa Joe, say something!
Charlie, you and I, we made something out of nothing. Yes, me and you, Charlie, we saw things that weren't there. Charlie, you and I wondered how, but never why. Yes, me and you, Charlie, Charlie, you and I.
Wait a minute, Joe. This ticket says to go on a tour, Charlie has to be accompanied by a responsible adult.
So?
Well, I can't go with him. If I don't turn up for at work, Miss Valenska is sure to fire me.
I'll take him.
But Joe, you can't walk.
Couldn't walk, but that was before my call to arms. This is all the miracle my old legs needed. I never had a chance to shine, never a happy song to sing. But suddenly half the world is mine. What an amazing thing, 'cause I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden sun up in my sky. I never thought I'd see the day when I would face the world and say, good morning, look at the sun. I never thought that I would be dancing about for all to see, 'cause they all thought I was better off dead, but I got out of bed. I never dreamed that I'd appear over the moon in ecstasy, but nevertheless it's there that I'm surely about to be, 'cause we've got a golden ticket.
We've got a golden ticket.
We've got a golden to make our way, and with a golden ticket is a golden day.
We never thought we'd see the day when we would face the world and say, good morning, look at the sun. We never thought that we would be slapped in the lap of luxury, 'cause they'd have said it couldn't be done, but it can be done. And we would climb over the moon in ecstasy, but nevertheless it's there that we're shortly about to be, 'cause we've got a